Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and hope you all had a great week last week. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for GBPUSD and GBPJPY. In my previous video, I talked about my Euro USD analysis and gold analysis. So if you haven't watched that video, um, you can quickly go and search the video up and have a look at it as well and see what I'm looking at for those pairs in the upcoming week. Now, for this pair, starting with GBP USD, from the weekly time frame, we can see that price moved strongly bearish and has gotten to this weekly support level, and I am actually expecting a bounce up off this level. All right, and I'm still strongly bullish. I would only be bearish if this level or price breaks below this weekly resistance. Then I'll start looking to sell GBP USD all the way to the downside. But for now, I am bullish on this trade. If you go to the daily time frame, we can see that price has rejected off this level. Okay, so forming more or less like a double bottom here as well. As you can see, when price touched this level once, it formed this inside bar here, and when price closed above this inside bar, continued all the way to the top, and now price has come back into that weekly support level and formed this pin bar as well, which is a rejection, indicating that price could continue all the way to the top. It could continue to this level here, which is now the daily resistance level, and drop to the bottom. Okay, and drop to the bottom, or maybe before continuing to the top again, or breaking it, continuing downwards. All right, and if price continues and breaks this level, then we should wait for like a quick retest of the level and take the trade all the way to the upside here. Okay, and this is what we'll be looking at for GBPUSD if this happens. But to look for a good entry for this trade, if you're not already in this buy trade to the top, we'll go to the 4-hourly time frame. And on the 4-hourly time frame, we can see clearly the formation of this candle here. That is 1, 2, and 3. This is called the morning star, which is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern. These 3 candles together forming this strongly bearish bullish candle. So if you're not already in this trade, I would suggest that once the market opens, you can take your entry just around there, your stop loss just below this candle or below this level, depending on your risk appetite, but I would say below this candle here. Okay, that's below the last candle. That's around 70 pips, 80 pips, and your take profit should be here around 120 pips. Take profit 1, and your take profit 2 should be at this level here, with this resistance level here at around 300 pips, and take profit 3 around 400, 500 pips. So this is the move that I'll be looking out for in the coming weeks. Since price has given us this nice bullish reversal pattern, I'll be looking to buy my trade all the way to the top, and that is my bias for GBP USD for the upcoming week. Next, we'll be talking about GBPJPY. So for GBPJPY, again, we'll be looking at it from the weekly time frame, and as you can see, price got to this weekly resistance level, broke above it, but didn't continue, and formed this fake out over here. So this is what we call a fake out, pretended as if it was going to go to the top after breaking this weekly resistance, but continued and closed below it. So that's what we call a fake out, and that is why we always look for reversal patterns around this area and not just enter into the trade when it gets to those certain areas. And if you look at it closely, after price formed this candle, it formed this bearish pin bar over here, and this bearish pin bar is more or less an indication that price is going to continue to the downside. So that is a sell signal, and that is exactly what happened in the coming in last week. Gave us this very strong sell um, opportunity. Now, if we go to the daily time frame, we can see that price is currently at this daily support level, which has been tested several times over here, here, and here. Okay, so what we'll be looking out for is how price reacts to that level. Okay, currently price seems to be strongly bearish, but we need to see how it reacts to this area here. If the next daily candle, which I wouldn't be trading on Monday, but I'll see how the daily candle forms. If it forms strongly bearish and closes below this line here, then I'm looking to sell the trade all the way to the downside, either to this trend line here or just all the way to this weekly support level. Okay, and if price forms the next daily candle, that's the Monday candle, forms a bearish signal and closes above this level here, then I'll be looking to sell all the way to the top, either to this level here or even to a higher level. Now, another way to look at this is if we plot our Fibonacci retracement and see how price retraces from this level here, from the swing low to the swing high. Okay, we can see that price is around the 61.8% Fibonacci level, which is the golden ratio. So we'll be looking for a reversal pattern around here. So there's a possibility that a reversal may not form and price may just continue all the way down. And if a bullish reversal forms here, then we're taking our buy trades to the top. So that area is a very key area for us, and we have to wait and see how the Monday candle closes. That's on the daily time frame. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the momentum has started to reduce just in this area, and price has just kept on forming these wicks here, which is a lot of rejections. So it could be that the next candle could form and could be strongly bearish, and if it is strongly bearish, it could give us an indication that price will continue to the upside. So it's something that we have to look out for on the 4-hourly time frame. And if price closes below all these wicks that it's been forming and closes strongly bearish here, then we should take our sell trades to the downside. So this area is key, and we need to see how price reacts to this area here. So this is basically my analysis for GBPUSD and GBPJPY. My bias is mostly bearish, but as we know in the forex market, anything can happen, and we have to watch out for price reaction and trade as the market moves on. I hope this video has been very helpful to you, and if you like, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe for more analysis videos like this. And have a lovely week ahead, and I would see you in the next analysis video. Peace.